All right, thanks for clicking in to watch this video. This is still in a series of AI-generated patterns. I asked it to create a Christmas tree, and at first it was very, very elaborate. That's its tendency to be very elaborate and fancy with its patterns. Here's another one I'm working on and show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to adjust that to make it a little more cuttable. I'm going to have to work on that a little bit. But this one, I kept working with it till it simplified it. Of course, this is the pattern that it actually gave me. And I'm not interested in all that stuff around the outside. AI is not perfect yet. I'm sure it's learning. And you have to learn how to talk to it, and it has to learn as it goes. So anyway, what I've done, I've just drawn a circle, and I took that tree out of the center, and it's going to be like an extra large Christmas tree ornament. That's kind of my idea. Drew a circle around it, mounted it in there. I've already drilled the holes. I'm going to take that and cut it with a number 3. I think that's a piece of ash. So it shouldn't take long to cut this. And so let me get to the saw and we'll cut it up. Okay, I'm going to call that finished. I got some polyurethane on it, used airbrush, got both sides. This is actually the back side that I cut. I liked it better. The grain looked better here for some reason. Anyway, I'm going to probably hang that. I'm going to use that star as either a nail on the wall or a string and hang it in the air. But I'm also thinking as you can see right in here, and I had to learn as I went, that that gets kind of fragile if you cut it the wrong way, and it'll grain wood like this. But I'm thinking about cutting it out of some Baltic birch, some real thin Baltic birch, and I've got some colored construction papers, and I'll mount it on some green paper so the green will show through there. That's kind of what I'm thinking. At least the green will show through right here. But I may do a short, and if I do that, kind of got some other projects lined up. But I like the way this looks, and I'm gonna call that done. And I've got 2 or 3 more artificial intelligence created patterns I'm going to do, and they should be kind of short and sweet. I kind of like these, and I'm learning how to do that. And I hope you like that. If you do, hit the like button. If you want to see what I do next and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And stay tuned, and hopefully I'll get another one out here in a couple of days. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.